my name is Raven Lirio and I'm one of your Student Engage Ambassadors for this year. This video will explain to you a little bit more about what learning communities are and how they benefit students on campus. I'm super excited to be sharing this with you because living in a learning community was so much fun my first 2 years on campus. I made lots of friends and it was one of the most impactful experiences I've had at PLU. Without further ado, let me introduce you to the community directors, staff, and faculty you'll be working with over the course of the year in your learning communities.
Hi everyone, my name is Dhaval Patel. I use he, him pronouns. I'm currently the community director here in Ordal Hall.
Hi, I'm Jess, the community director for Harstad Hall.
Hey everyone, my name is Dan Murray and I'm the community director for South and Flieger Halls.
Hello, I'm Sharon and I am the community director for both Hong and Hinderley Halls here at PLU.
Heyo, my name is Zach Rocky. I'm the community director for Inkelas Hall.
Hello, New Loots. My name is Rana Kaufman, and I'm a professor in the English department and director of the First Year Experience program. Every year, I teach Writing 101, and it is easily the most important class that I teach at PLU.
I'm Rebecca Wilkin, professor of French and Francophone Studies at PLU. I teach a section of Writing 101 on the theme of public transportation.
Hello everyone, my name's Luke and I use he, him pronouns and I work in the Diversity Center and in the cave with these lovely people.
Hi, my name is Jess Takla. I'm the Assistant Dean for Campus Life, Co-Curricular Learning and Assessment, which means I get to work with PLU's learning communities. Learning communities are simply communities in which students come together with peers, faculty, and staff to grow together. Learning communities might be organized by a topic, such as creativity or STEM. It might be organized by a social identity, such as students of color or women's empowerment and gender equity, or it might be organized by the time you've spent at PLU. For example, we have first-year interest groups to welcome students who are coming into PLU, new transfer and continuing student communities for students who are transitioning through their PLU experience, and upper division communities for students who are preparing to graduate and enter into life beyond PLU.
Through rich discussions and writing assignments, students are able to interact with their peers outside of the classroom and really talk about what they're learning and how it applies to their everyday life.
Flieger is where all of my friends live. It's just a great community. Everybody there is just super easygoing. It's just a great place to live. Isn't too concentrated in like one area or another. It's just a good mix of everybody.
I just love everything about it. I love that I have something in common with all these people that I hadn't previously met. And it means we get along really well and we are able to talk about our similar fields, but also we're just really good friends and we've gotten so close through being able to live together and do things together.
I feel like as a first generation student of color, I needed a support system, people who understood me, who kind of identified with some of the same identities that I did. And through that, I found a home, I found friends, and we made a family. And I think that's what I like the best about where I am right now.
One of the nice things about living with people that are interested in similar things to you is you can come to them for pretty much anything. I lived in the Ihon wing of Hong, and anytime I was stuck on a reading or didn't understand what I was doing, everyone on the floor was doing the same thing, so I could pretty much just go and ask anyone if I had any questions. I also had the chance to join RHC for 2 years. During that time, I was really able to build up my community by creating fun events like karaoke night. Living in a learning community impacted the way I fit into PLU. I not only got the chance to make connections with people within my own wing, but through my connected course, I was able to make friends in all other wings and floors of the building. It was really nice to be able to go anywhere and just be able to strike up a conversation.
Learning communities are a really wonderful opportunity for students to make lifelong relationships with their peers, with faculty, and with staff here at PLU.
Learning communities benefit PLU students because they provide ready-made communities and groups for our students to dive right in and have people to support them through their academic and their social lives here on campus.
Students have described the DJS learning communities as a place that's home away from home, where they feel like they can be their true authentic selves.
Learning communities with linked courses are highly beneficial because it brings together students, staff, and faculty for some really awesome collaborative programming.
What I really love about teaching in the linked course format is that we get to use the community that we're based in to do some research.
Learning communities bring together two groups, a residential community and a classroom community, and in doing so, reinforce each other and support each other.
Hello, everybody. Welcome. This is the CAVE staff, and we are welcoming you to the Loop Masterclass, an experience designed for PLU off-campus students who are interested in developing community leadership styles and thriving as an undergraduate.
We want you to join us for Loop's Masterclass to build the skills and community that will help you not only to succeed, but to thrive in your time here at PLU. Entering any new situation can be daunting, but starting at a new school during a pandemic is especially challenging. So we want to make sure that you have the resources and knowledge that you need to navigate this coming year.
In these classes, we're excited to teach you about diversity, justice, and sustainability issues on and off campus. More specifically, talking about identity and bias, as well as putting the act in activism. Learning how to use the Wong Center for Global Education to learn about study away and what study away options might be right for you. Learning how to navigate the FAFSA and WAFSA to get the funding you need for your college education. And also learning how to degree plan, among other classes that we have.
Cool. Well, we hope to see you this fall and in a couple weeks. Thanks for joining, and see you later from the Community Advocates.
Your learning community experience is entirely up to you. Make the most out of it, own it, and make it yours. Put yourself out there, find your brave space, and most of all, just be you, and I'm sure you'll make tons of friends along the way.